Hey, what up, y'all? My bad. I'm here to make a revision on the last little audio I uploaded. Asterisk gained peak human strength, speed, and durability from living on the island. That peak human durability is what allows him to tank an Alpha Grillion hit with only 3 broken ribs. Sorry about that, but I appreciate y'all once again. And I'm sorry, but y'all might just get used to hearing this. Please, for me, like my page. I need it. Subscribe. I know you want to hear more, and hit that notification bell so you can be updated whenever I drop some new hot shit. Appreciate it. Much love.